Okay, everyone, welcome again. So the project overview, if you joined the previous two crash courses, you already know the project overview, but I'll go over it again. So the e-commerce project, the name of the project is Takes Up For You, and it is a comprehensive e-commerce platform designed to provide customers with a seamless shopping experience. I'm sure you know all of these, and we have some key features that we are going to develop: our products page, our categories page, our campaigns, our add to cart functionality, order page, and also order tracking. So we have already developed our categories, our dynamic categories. We have developed our home page, and today we are actually going to develop our products page, because our products page actually has some complex functionalities or complex logic. Because I will show you the project and the data structure of a product in a moment. So it is actually very complex, because you have different attributes. The attributes can be dynamic, because a product can have some, let's say, color attribute, a size attribute. If it is a mobile phone, it can have some RAM attribute, ROM. If it is a laptop, it can have some storage options, anything. So all of these attributes are actually dynamic, and based on these attributes, you have different variations, right? So if there is like three attributes with three different values, there can be 9 to 8 like variations. So we have to handle all of that. So okay, let's dive into it. And for our tech stack, we are using Node.js. Today we are going to implement Redux with React Redux, and for UI libraries, we are using NDesign, Bootstrap, and React icons. So initially we plan to use Bootstrap, but for your sake, I'm not using Bootstrap. I'm using like SCSS, so it is more like vanilla SCSS, so that you can implement whatever CSS library or framework you're using. You can implement with that. So for HTTP client, we are using Axios, and we'll be using JS cookie for handling cookies. And for styling, as I said, we are using SAS. And for media handling, we're using React Zoom slider and Swiper. I already showed you Swiper on our homepage, how to use Swiper to make customizable navigation buttons and add responsiveness. Okay, so I think we already explored our UI, but let's explore our UI again. So I have it open here. Okay, so this is our homepage, right? So we already developed our designed and integrated API to our sliders, our homepage, and products and everything. So today we just have the products, but we are also going to need a product details page, right? So that's what we are going to do today. We'll design and integrate our API to our products page. So it will have a description, review, tags. It will also have related product section, and this is the attributes I was talking about. Based on different colors, there will be different variations, and you have to manage the like the discount and the pricing and everything. Okay. So we will also need some APIs. So first of all, of course, we'll need the product API. So this is the API we are using for our product. So it is a dynamic API. We just have to dynamically add the product ID, and I'm going to show you how you can use server-side rendering for our product ID. Okay, so this is the design. You already know the design and our related products to get the related products. So we have another API for that too. And I'm also going to show you how you can store your cards or product in your cart and integrate that with local storage and everything. Okay.